Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to order and activate Maya card. So, let's begin. As you can see here, you can have your free Maya card in just 3 steps away. Step 1 is basically download the Maya app to create and upgrade your account. It's free, alright? So all you're gonna do, you only need one valid ID. Alright, and if you are already on Maya, go straight to step number 2, which is on your savings dashboard, open a Maya savings account. Alright, and then after doing so, step 3 would be at least to deposit 250 pesos and spend at least like 250 pesos on airtime load, bills payment, or pay at least like 250 using your Maya card, QR, or online payments. And of course, on step 4, in the Maya app, choose and order any Maya card with your username and get your 200 pesos spend back up to 14 days after the promo period. And again, you just have to wait for confirmation of your rewards via text message. Alright? Now, as you can see here, please take note that before ordering, you have to create @username in your profile. And upon ordering, choose the option to print @username on the card. Now, this offer is open to new and existing users who will complete all 4 steps from November 1 to January 31, 2024 of this year. And once you qualify, you will get your 200 pesos cashback on your card purchase in your Maya wallet. Now, if you want to read the complete mechanics, you just click here. And now the next step is simply activating the virtual card. Alright. Now in the Maya app, swipe towards the cards tab. And under the cards tab, you will see certain banners that will allow you to, of course, order a physical card. We will be discussing that later. Or order a virtual card. And all I gotta do is link your Maya card and get a free card promo, other promos. Now, if you wanted to order a virtual card, tap on the get a free card button on the virtual card banner. In the next screen, you can tap on get a virtual card to proceed with the ordering process. Alright, now here's how to order a physical card. Again, on the wallet dashboard, tap cards. Tap the order a Maya card button in the physical card banner. Choose the style of your Maya card. And choose the option to add your Maya @username if you have one. Or choose the standard card. Enter your delivery address and review your order details. You're gonna pay using your wallet or credit if that's available. And once your payment is complete, we'll begin preparing your order, and delivery takes like 8 to 10 working days in Metro Manila and 10 to 12 working days in other areas, and more styles are coming soon. Now, this is how you basically link your physical card once you have that. Alright, so for cards purchased outside of the Maya app, you can still activate your card by using the Maya app. In the Maya app, swipe towards the cards tab. Under the cards tab, you can activate your card by scrolling through the carousel until the rightmost card banner section and tapping on the link your Maya card banner. And you will be taken to the activate your card screens. And please enter the card information as seen on the physical cards you've received, like card number, expiry month, expiry year, security code found on the back of the card. And if the entered card details are correct, you will be prompted to set your 6-digit card PIN, and this PIN will be used for transactions via ATM, POS, etc. And you will be prompted to enter the PIN twice to ensure that the PIN entered is correct and accurate. And if both pins entered are matching, you will be prompted with a successful card activation message. You can now use your card. Now, in the event that the second pin entered does not match the first pin, you will be prompted with an error message and will be asked to enter the second pin correctly. You successfully activated your card now and should be fully visible in the card carousel under the cards tab of the Maya app. Alright? Okay, so in the event that you are having problems activating your Maya card, alright, simply you need to contact the My Support Center, alright? And here's before you need to contact them, here are some things you need to check, alright? Right here, there's a lot of them. Here are the channels, email, phone number. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.